Hi everyone, welcome to the Peganita Gari YouTube channel. Today we want to discuss question of the week number 4. We have to simplify a equation. First of all, I will write it. 3a plus 2 over a. So this is a fraction. A plus 3 over 2. This is a fraction. And this is the equation mark. To simplify this kind of question, it is the easiest way we can multiply these things by cross multiplication. That means you have to multiply this 2 from 3a plus 2 and you have to multiply this a from a plus 3. That means twice into 3a plus 2 is equal to a into a plus 3. This bracket means this 2 is belongs to 3a and this 2 is belongs to 2. That is the secret behind the bracket. That's why we are using the bracket in the mathematics. That means you should multiply this 2 by 3a, that is 6a, plus 2 into 2, that is just 4. In here, a into a, that is a squared, plus a into 3, that is 3a. To the simplification purpose, I will take all the parts for the one side. So I can write a squared plus 3a. Then I can send this 6 for the other side. It will become minus 6a. And minus 4 should be equal to 0. So that means you can write a squared. 3a minus 6a mean minus 3a. Minus 4 is equal to 0. We found a quadratic equation. The power is 2. If this power is 2, the maximum power is 2 in the equation, definitely there should be 2 answers. Based on the maximum power in the equation, we can say how many answers are there. In this question, there should be 2 answers. If I take these 2 answers and alpha beta, I can find the alpha and beta. I told you based on the power, we can say the number of answers are there. So this is a quadratic equation. The maximum power is 2. There should be 2 answers. As an example, if I write x to the power 3 plus 2x to the 2x to the power is 2 squared plus x plus 3 or something is equal to 0. So this is the equation. The maximum power is 3. Definitely, there should be 3 answers for the x. In this case, the unknown letter is a. So there should be 2 answers for the unknown letter. That means for the variable, that is a. For the a, there should be 2 answers, alpha and beta. For this case, it should be 3 answers. But in your O-level syllabus, we are discussed only for quadratic equation. That means the maximum power is 2. Let's find the answer for the a. How can we find the answer for the a? So I told you there should be 2 answers. There are several methods to find this kind of question. There is the factorization method and equation method. In this case, I will explain for the factorized method. In another video, I will explain equation method. Okay. The quadratic equation that we have to find, a squared minus 3a minus 4 is equal to 0. There should be 2 answers. And there is a secret behind in this case. I told you there may be 2 letters, alpha and beta. That alpha and beta, sum of that alpha and beta, that means alpha plus beta should be equal to this 3 minus 3a, coefficient of a. That is the secret. This should be minus 3. And multiplication of this alpha and beta, multiplication of this alpha and beta should be equal to just the constant value, that is equal to minus 4. And this multiplication should be equal to minus 4. But keep in your mind, definitely coefficient of a squared should be equal to 1. If it is not equal to 1, imagine this is equal to 4, then again you have to multiply this 4 and the constant value. For this case, I will just explain with the coefficient of the a squared is x equal to 1. Okay, there are several methods to discuss. There are several things to discuss with based on the quadratic equation. I will just explain only these things. for this video, I will explain other things with several another videos. So I told you there may be two answers, alpha and beta. So sum of alpha and beta should be equal to -3. Multiplication should be equal to -4. Then I have to guess answers for the alpha and beta. Imagine I can take this -2, -1. Yes. -2, 1, -3 is 1 is equal to -3. That is okay. But -2 into -1, that is equal to 2. So that is not match with second equation. That means if I take to the answers for the alpha and beta, it should be match for both of equation. So what it will happen if I take alpha as -4, beta as +1? Yes, -4 plus 1 is equal to -3. And -4 into 1 is equal to, that is -4. Yes, we can agree with alpha as -4 and beta as 1. That means I can say this equation a squared minus 4a plus a. Yes, we are correct. Why? You can write this 3a in this method. Why? 3a is equal to -4a plus a is equal to just 3a. Yes, -4 is equal to 0. Now we can take the factors. If we consider a squared and a, you can take a as a common factor. So this will become a minus 4. If we take a and -4, you can take just 1 as common factor. It is become a minus 4 is equal to 0. Again, you can say a minus 4 is a common factor. This is become a minus 4 into a plus 1 is equal to 0. We found the multiplication. What is the multiplication? 1 is a minus 4, 1 is a plus 1. The multiplication of two parts is equal to 0. Definitely one of them equal to 0 or both of them equal to 0. That means the multiplication is equal to 0 mean this part can be 0 or this part can be equal to 0. That means you can say a minus 4 is equal to 0 or a plus 1 is equal to 0. That means you can say a is equal to 4 or a is equal to -1. So we found both answers for the a, but it's clearly mentioned a is an positive integer. So I can't take this a as -1 because according to this case, a is a positive integer. We are not agree with this a, this -1. So a should be is equal to 4. That is the final answer. In this video, we focused how to simplify fractions and how to simplify the quadratic equation. That is the thing we discuss in this video. So this is question of the week number 4. We will meet with the question of the week number 5. So if you want to join with our class, you can WhatsApp for this number. We are simplifying several questions each week. For the week, there are 2 sessions per week. If you want to join, you can WhatsApp for this number. Okay, we will meet with another video. That's all for today. Goodbye.